guys, we'll get started. Tonight we got 2019 playoff and playbook. We got 2020 Prestige, 2020 Panini Contenders draft picks, and two 2020 Legacy hobby packs. We'll just do the 2019 first. And get ready to watch the Rams and Cowboys. Seen the line was even on that. All right, we got Ed Reed, Melvin Gordon, James Conner. We got Cam Chancellor, Barry Sanders. We got Randy Moss, and we got a Thunder and Lightning for the Cowboys. DeMarcus Lawrence, Byron James, and Sean Murphy Button rookie card. Sean Murphy Button for the Bucks. We got Darius Leonard, LaShawn McCoy, Earl Campbell. We got Brian Dawkins, Mike Evans, Khalil Mack, and Jarrett Stidham. Air Command. And we got Benny Snell Jr. for the Steelers. Sam Darnold, Bernie Kosar, Amari Cooper. We got Kerryon Johnson, Chandler Jones, Taysom Hill. Got Myles Garrett, kickoff for the Browns. And DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. And the last card was Kid Reporter. Right. Juju, Julian Edelman, Nick Foles, Devonta Freeman, Chris Thompson, and we got a rookie Stallions for the Eagles of Miles Sanders. We got Dak Prescott stargazing and Rashawn Gary for the Packers. How's it going, John? We got Joe Flacco. We got Ray Lewis, Mike Williams. We got Sean Alexander, Chris Spielman, Dion. And we got a rookie wave, TJ Hawkinson. And for rookie, we got Anthony Johnson for the Bucks. And Kid Reporter, sorry. Got DeMarcus Lawrence, Ty Hilton. We got Tre'Davious White, Brian Westbrook, Peyton Barber, Roquan Smith. We got a Thunder and Lightning, David Johnson and Kyler Murray. Another nice one. For the Cardinals. Kyler Murray had a pretty good game today. Gary Jennings Jr. for the Seahawks. Nice pack of playoff. We got Leonard Fournette, Le'Veon Bell, John Elway. We got Warren Sapp, We got Aeneas Williams, Ricky Williams, and there's a nice rookie of Anthony Thompson, kickoff for the Bucks. And we got Darwin Thompson for the Chiefs. All right, we'll do 2019 playbook. Alright, we got Jordan Reed. And we got a purple of Dawson Knox. Got James Conner, got Nick Bosa, and Taylor Rapp. Nick Bosa for the 49ers. Alright, we got James Conner. We got auto for the Seahawks, Gary Jennings Jr. Gary Jennings Jr. for the Seahawks. We got X's and O's. Lamar Smith, Alexander Madison, and Nasir Adderley. Alexander Madison for the Vikings. And X's and O, Lamar Jackson. All right, we got Kenny Golladay. We got Jarrett Stidham. Parallel. It's a nice looking card. And that's numbered out of 49, 6 out of 49. Can you tell if that's looks like it's blue parallel. It's a nice card. We got Jordan Poyer. We got Ed Oliver for the Bills and Will Greer. Got Ty Hilton. Got Leighton Vander Esch. Got X's and O, Russell Wilson. Got Gardner Minshew, rookie, and TJ Hawkinson. Gardner Minshew for the Jaguars. All right, we'll do 2020 Prestige. Alright, Sammy Watkins, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Jason Pierre-Paul. We got Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry, got Matthew Stafford, got Tyreek on a youth movement for the Chiefs, and Dalton Keene rookie for the Patriots. Got Lane Johnson, Devin White, got Dante Pettis, Taysom Hill, Za'Darius Smith, Juju. Got inside the numbers, Deshaun Watson, and we got Antoine Winfield for the Bucks rookie card. Geno Atkins, Michael Gallup, got Noah Fant, AJ Brown, Cooper Kupp, DJ Chark, and we got a highlight reel, Kenyon Drake, parallel, and Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Looking forward to seeing him tomorrow. See what he's going to do. Jerry Jeudy. Chris Godwin, Dexter Lawrence, Harrison Butker. We got Justice Hill, Alexander Villanova, James Devlin. We got Patrick Mahomes, and we got Ross Blacklock for the Texans rookie. Patrick Mahomes on the worldwide. Got Nick Mullins, Tyreek, Joe Mixon, Big Ben. We got Jared Stidham, Kevin Byard. And we got Hunter Henry, extra points. And Devin Duvernay for the Ravens, rookie card. Got Drew Lock, Deshaun Jackson, Kenyon Drake, Leonard Fournette, Tre'Quan Smith, Marcus Valdez-Scantling. Got Dalvin Cook on the Powerhouse, and Jeremy Chin for the Panthers rookie card. We got Darwin Thompson, Ryan Finley, Jalen Smith. We got Sony Michel, Corey Davis. We got Aaron Donald. Got extra points, Cameron Hayward, and Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. We got Evan Ingram. We got Tyrod Taylor, Khalil Mack, TJ Watt. We got Brian Burns, and for the Cowboys, we got Drew Pearson. Patch card. Gridiron Heritage. Drew Pearson for the Cowboys. Prestigious Pros, we got Jarvis Landry, and our rookies, LaMichael Perine for the Jets. Alright, 2020 Panini Contenders Draft Picks. Jarrett Stidham, Amari Cooper, Mark Ingram, so Jacob Eason, Christian Kirk, and Michael Thomas. Got Nick Chubb, Delvin Hodges, Saquon Barkley. We got a legacy of Jacob Eason. We got Ty Johnson and Keenan Allen. We got DK, Terry Bradshaw, John Elway, got Keyshawn Vaughn, Dak, and Noah Fant. We got Marlon Mack, got Danny Dimes, Patrick Mahomes, and let's see who we got. Curtis Weaver, auto. Patrick Mahomes. Let's look up and see who Curtis Weaver goes to. Looks like, yep, it goes to the Cleveland Browns. Cleveland Browns. I'll just put him right here. All right, Alexander Mattison and Leonard Fournette. We got Sony Michel, Jerry Rice, Austin Eckler, and we got Jalen Hurts. Draft class, Ryan Finley and James Washington. Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. We got Brett Favre, Deontay Johnson. We got a draft ticket, Leonard Fournette. And we got a J.K. Dobbins and a D.K. Hill. What we'll do is roll the dice on this one. 1, 2, 3 will go to the left side, J.K. And 4, 5, 6 will go to K.J. Hill on the right side. And it's going to be a 6. So that's going to go to K.J. Hill. Miles Sanders and Deshaun Watson. And we should have one more auto. Joey Bosa, Barry Sanders, got Mason Rudolph, and we got Kamal Martin. It's a draft ticket, parallel. Kamal Martin's going to the Packers. Keyshawn Johnson, Christian McCaffrey. All right, guys, we'll do our 2 hobby packs. 2020 Legacy. Well, if I can hold them together. DJ Moore. We got Philip Lindsay, Josh Allen. Yeah, it looks like we got a silver of Grant Delpit. Grant Delpit. We got Lasting Legacies, Joe Montana. And we got Joe Thomas. We got a Chase Young and Michael Pittman. Chase Young for the Redskins. And Joe Montana for 49ers. Alright, last pack, guys. Get ready to watch this Cowboys game. Alright, we got Jimmy G for 49ers. We got Devin Bush, Kenny Galladay, got Xavier McKinney on the silver rookie also. Nice looking card. Aaron Rodgers. We got Brian Urlacher. And our rookies are going to be Donovan Peoples-Jones and Harrison Bryant. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all stopping by tonight. We'll be here tomorrow at the same time. And then we'll just see y'all tomorrow night. Hope you enjoyed the game. Thanks guys.